Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you have encountered the exception breakpoint has been reached error, then watch this video for the solution. The first solution is we need to run the SFC scan. For that we will look for command prompt, right click on it and click on run as administrator. Click on yes and then enter the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter. Then we'll enter another command. I am not entering the sfc command because it takes quite a long time to scan and it will increase the length of this video. So the next command we need to input is chkdsk space slash f space slash r and then press enter and then press y and press enter. Now the next thing we need to do is run the memory diagnostic check. So for that, after the scan is over, after the chk dsk scan is over, we will press the Windows and the R key and then we will input the command mdsched. All right, and press enter. Then it will ask you restart now and check for problems. So it will shut down the computer, scan for any problems with the memory, fix them and then restart the computer, and then you should no longer encounter this error. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.